Hello everyone, welcome to Agent Stacks. So before starting this video, I just want to give you a small summary of what's happening today. So everyone is building the same AI chatbot, a PDF chatbot, a customer support bot, or a simple question answering application. But here's the reality. If you are applying for internships, placements, or AI engineering roles, these projects don't really stand out, and companies are looking for engineers who can build real AI systems that can solve real world business problems. So in this today's video, I am going to show you 6 AI agent project ideas that are practical, enterprise level, guaranteed to make your portfolio much stronger. These aren't just beginner projects. These are the kind of projects that make recruiters stop scrolling through your resume and actually pay attention. And here's something exciting. If this video reaches 100 likes and our channel crosses 100 subscribers, I will create complete end-to-end tutorial for each single project listed here. And we will build each from scratch using LangChain, AI agents, Python, Streamlit, and modern AI engineering practices. So if that's something you would like to see, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to channel, and let me know in the comments which project you want me to build first. And now let's get started. So before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to check out our AI engineering playlist on the channel, where we have already covered LangChain, AI agents, memory tools, and other core AI engineering concepts from scratch. If your goal is to become an AI engineer by building real world application and project instead of just learning theory, don't forget to subscribe to Agent Stacks. So now let's jump into projects. So let's start with one of the most useful enterprise application. So imagine you're working as a lawyer or in a legal department of a company. Every day you will be going through lakhs of contracts, which are maybe lakh worth of lakhs or even crores of rupees needed to be reviewed. So these contracts can easily be 550 or 100 pages long, and reviewing these every clause manually takes hours. Now imagine an AI agent that works together, and in just few minutes the user uploads the contract, the AI extracts all the text, and it identifies the important clauses such as payment terms, confidentiality agreements, termination conditions, penalties, renewal, policies, liabilities, and legal risk. But instead of simply summarizing the document, it actually highlights risky clauses, explaining why they are risky, and even suggest improvements. So, to make it more powerful, you can create multiple specialized AI agents. One review payment clauses, another checks compliance, another checks legal risk, and another verifies confidentiality agreements. So finally, a master AI combines all these findings into one comprehensive legal report, and this project showcases document intelligence, multi-agent workflows, RAG, and enterprise automation skills that companies value highly. So when you will be learning RAG, we will definitely think of creating such kind of a use case where we'll be using documents, we'll be using creating workflows, and we can create a kind of an AI agents that deals with documents and work with the important clauses, important agreements, important the risk that has to be taken. So this everything we can kind of build when we will be working on RAG, and we can when we'll be building our own AI product. So now comes the next project, which is an AI startup founder. So now imagine having your own AI co-founder. Instead of asking ChatGPT random questions, you simply tell your AI, I want to build a startup for college students. The AI doesn't give ideas. It behaves like an actual startup founder. One agent performs market research, another will understand or analyze competitors, one will identify the business opportunities, another designs pricing strategy, another creates a marketing plan, another generates investor pitch ideas. So finally, a coordinator agent combines everything into one complete startup blueprint. By the end, you will have a complete business plan instead of a scattered suggestion. So this project demonstrates planning, reasoning, internet search, and multi-agent collaboration. Now comes the next, which is an AI content creation studio. So this is probably one of the most practical projects for creator. So suppose you are a YouTuber and instead of opening five different AI tools, you upload one video idea and the AI takes over from there. One agent will write a script for you, another will write a click-worthy titles, another will generate an SEO optimized description, another will suggest you the thumbnail ideas, and another will write Instagram caption, another will create LinkedIn post, another will generate an hashtags, and another converts entire everything into a Twitter thread. And this is something which you can really think of when you are coming to a content creation. As if you are a content creator, you will have a lot of things on your head. You maybe have to think maybe the metrics, the parameters, everything, but AI can help you with this kind of small things. It can assist you, and also it will help you to come with short form real ideas as well. So instead of you using multiple platforms, you have one AI content studio that manages your entire content workflow. This project showcases workflow automation, prompt engineering, and multi-agent orchestration. Now comes the fourth project, which is a personal productivity assistant. So imagine you are having an assistant that actually manages your day, not just reminds, but real productivity management. So the AI connects to your calendar, read your emails, look at your pending tasks, prioritize your work, schedules meetings, suggests the best time to study or work, track your long-term goals, summarizes your missed meetings, and even reminds you about important deadlines. So you can divide your responsibility among different agents, a calendar agent, an email agent, a task manager agent, a goal tracking agent, a reminder agent, a meeting summarizer agent. Together, they function like your own executive assistant. And this project combines AI automation, real world productivity. Now, coming on to the fifth project, which is AI research analyst. And this is one of my personal favorites. So, imagine you are a student, consultant, entrepreneur, or researcher. So, instead of you spending hours on reading articles and research papers, you can ask one question. For example, analyze the future of electric vehicles in India. So the AI will search trusted websites, read research papers, collect industry reports, and extract statistics, and compares different viewpoints, identifies the market trend, and verifies the fact. And finally, generates a professionally formatted research report with references. So you can build a specialized agent such as a web search agent, a research paper agent, a data analysis agent, a fact verification agent, and a report generation agent. And together they will produce a high quality research report paper in just a few minutes. So, this project demonstrates research automation, reasoning, structured output, and enterprise AI workflow. So, now coming on to the understanding that we can build this kind of websites, we can create this kind of portals, we can create application based on this. So now I just wanted to explain like how powerful you can combine AI agents, LangChain, tool calling, memory, RAG, multi-agent system, workflow, automation, vector databases, prompt engineering, enterprise AI architecture. So if you can build even two or three of these projects properly, your portfolio will look far stronger than the one filled with basic chatbot demos. So I hope this video gave you some exciting ideas for your next AI engineering project. And remember one promise from this beginning, if this video reaches 100 likes and our channel crosses 100 subscribers, I will create complete step-by-step tutorial for every project as we discussed today with full implementation using LangChain, AI agents, Python, and StreetGate. So if you want to see that series happen, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Agent Stacks, and comment below which project you want me to build first. Thank you so much for watching.